It's a highly prestigious accolade, with the winner being decided in November, and Gareth Sheridan could be considered the favourite to land it. No, not the presidency, for which the 35-year-old businessman is seeking a nomination. It's the title of EY Entrepreneur of the Year. Gareth Sheridan's declaration in the Sunday Independent that he intends to run for the Áras came as a surprise, but not because he's a businessman. We've had plenty of those in presidential elections in the past. Back in 2018, we had Peter Casey, Seán Gallagher and Gavin Duffy. By coincidence, Gavin Duffy launched Gareth Sheridan's book last May. By another coincidence, Seán Gallagher was the chairman of Sheridan's company Nutriband for 4 years up to 2022. But there is no connection between them in this campaign. Gallagher is not supporting Sheridan.
Bye.
One thing they do have in common is that both went the county council route to getting a nomination. In 2018, Gallagher got the support of 4 councils. Now Sheridan has to do the same, or his name won't be on the ballot paper. Talking to his campaign spokesman today, I was told they're confident that between 6 and 8 councils will propose Gareth Sheridan as a candidate at their meetings in the coming weeks. Of course, being proposed is one thing. Winning the votes of a majority of councillors will be more difficult, particularly if Fine Gael, Fianna Fáil and Sinn Féin tell their people not to support independent candidates.